Hello, and welcome to the Timer Pit, your home for educational and timer videos. If you use robotics with your students, then these past few weeks have been challenging as you've been trying to teach robotics in an online setting. Well, VEXcode VR will help you with that and allow you to do some robotics with your students. So stay tuned. Teaching robotics in a virtual setting is a difficult task, but VEXcode VR allows you to at least simulate some of the things you would do in the classroom. As you can see, if you go to vr.vex.com, this is what will come up. If you've worked with Scratch before, it has virtually the same layout as what you would with Scratch, where you can drag and move the blocks to connect the blocks to start getting the robot to do what you want to do in the setting down here. Most of your students, or a lot of your students, probably already have experience using Scratch. Now, what is also cool about this site, if you go to File and go to New Text Project, instead of using blocks, they can actually work on typing the actual code to make the robot do what they want it to do. So it kind of gives the students more of a challenge if they don't want to do blocks, which if they've worked with Scratch for a while, they do get tired of the block coding after a certain point. Now, VEXcode VR also has some great tutorials to get your students up to speed with how to use the site. If you go to the upper left here, you'll see where it says tutorials. So if you go ahead and click there, there are 14 total videos, with each video about a minute in length or so, that goes over how to use the different tools in VEXcode VR. VEXcode VR also comes preloaded with activities. If you go up to the very top left, you'll see activities. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll start seeing all the different activities that comes preloaded with VEXcode VR. Go back up to the top. One that I've already done with my students is basketball drill, so I'll go ahead and click on it. The activities come with different levels and challenges for the students. You can see here with basketball drills that there are 3 levels for them to go ahead to work on, with some helpful hints. VEXcode VR under activities also provides teacher resources. So right where you'd see the activities, there's a section right here called Computer Science Teacher Resources. So I'll go ahead and click it. And you can see here you have a place for standards mapping, email home to send home a newsletter about what you're doing, quiz and exam answer keys, and challenge solutions. I'm going to go ahead and click on standards mapping, and it's going to ask you to select your country. And here you have the whole curriculum kind of laid out by the standards, which is awesome, and it kind of gives you a pacing guide from which to go forth using VEXcode VR. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below so you can stay up to date with more educational and timer videos coming soon.